Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good wherever you're watching from. Thank you for always sticking by this channel. And this video is a request video for Sleek Hidopes 1. I hope you get to watch this. You requested that I should make a juice using my 4-in-1 blender juicer so you can, see how it works. You bought the same. Okay, so here is your video. First of all, I had to start with washing and sterilizing my container. And yeah, I think I washed plenty of the containers because at the end of the day, I didn't get juice, you know, more than a bottle and a half, right? I am not the juice type. I like to do smoothies, so it was deliberate. I used the rest of the container for the smoothie that I made after the juice, and I may probably share that video next time. Okay, so you get to sterilize the things that the container you will use to, you know, storing your juice, or if you're making the one you can just finish. I wouldn't know, but you need to, you know, freeze the whole thing so that it gets very cold and sweet. Yeah. So this is the watermelon. I did watermelon, carrots, and ginger. And I hope this is not odd for you or awkward using soap and sponge to wash your watermelon. This is what I do because where these people dump all of this, yeah, you cannot imagine. And this one was even very dirty. If you noticed when I brought it out, and now that I have finished washing with soap, you could see that the brown dirt on it, which was from the sand or the ground where they were dumping it, had already gone off. And now I used salt to finally sterilize it. Yeah, kill off germs, and then I still use warm water and salt that I used in rinsing off the bottles to completely rinse it off, and then I get the whole thing set for juicing. Okay, if you're still watching up to this moment, please take a seconds and hit the thumbs up icon to like this video. Kindly share this video and drop me a comment in the comment section. Okay, so I also did clean my apple, but the apple was not used here. Okay, and yes guys, carrot is very expensive now. This carrot was 700 naira. I can count how many pieces, like about 7 pieces. I think each one sold for 100 naira, and so it wasn't even very succulent, so it didn't release much juice. Thank God for the watermelon. So same thing here. I washed and sterilized everything with salt. I also hope this one is not odd for you. I like to stuff in salt in that tip, the both tip ends of apple, to make sure that every jam there is got taken care of, okay, by the salt. And here I am done, and guys, it is time to get juicing. So yeah, I did mention that I used ginger, so I already peeled and washed off with salt. And this is 4-in-1 blender. I first of all got everything washed and sterilized because I packed it for a long time now. Like I said, I'm not the juice type, but because this is a request, I had to do it. I actually feel happy doing it for this my viewer. Okay, yeah, this is the engine house of this juice, and this is where the whole job is done. That's where it gets to crush it and filter it out. Okay, so we are ready. You fix it back on the motor, and yeah, you're good to go. So I cut the watermelon into two, and I used half. It wasn't all up to half though, because like I said, I like more of smoothie. So I kept the other one for my smoothie. And yes, this is me starting with the ginger, blended it, or juiced it, not blended it, sorry. Juiced it, and then I got the carrots juiced and followed with watermelon. I'm sorry, I hope the view here serves you. I didn't have enough space to place my camera on a separate position, so I placed it on the slab, and that is why the vibration from the blender was actually disturbing the camera lens. So that's why it's a bit shaky and blurry at some point, and you are not even having, a very good view of the juice flowing into the cup because of the position of the camera as well. But I hope that this actually serves you. I'm so sorry it was for lack of enough space, okay? So manage it. And yeah, I'm done with the carrot. That's just the little juice that came out from the carrots. It was just 7 pieces, guys. Nigeria is a great country. Look at the small thing that came out from carrot of 700 naira. So thank God for the watermelon that's got everything volumed up. So I removed this, and guess what, guys? I didn't throw it away. Hey, it was completely squeezed out. Yeah, not single fluid, but I didn't throw it away. This with the watermelon chop that was very smooth and sweet when I tasted it. I used the both of them to make local or native jollof rice, and it was good. It was nice, okay? So everything went into usefulness. No trashing of anything, no. Sleek Hidopes, I hope you get to share this video for me. That will be an honor that you'll be doing to me, or an appreciation that you'll be doing for me, okay? Thank you. At least you can see that our juice is coming up in volume thanks to the watermelon, guys. Yeah, and I hope you're seeing it as much as possible. Yeah, thank you. We are done. So three combo there: watermelon, carrot, and ginger. The ginger is just to spice it up a little and help your metabolism rate, okay? And I had to taste to see if it has some sweet taste, guys, because that carrot was not sweet at all. That carrot, it was not sweet. And I searched for a carrot that is more red in color and could be possibly sweet. That was the best I could find in the market. Okay, like I said, this one was still a bit sweet and soft. It's a soft, fibrous fruit or vegetable, so I still had to use it for the rice. And yeah, this is me stirring the whole thing to get it homogenized before turning it out into the bottle. So, like I said, it wasn't more than a bottle and a half, and this I kept it to chill, and I enjoyed that. Sleek Hero Press One. I hope this, you know, answers your question and teaches you what you need to learn, and that you're going to start juicing up and enjoying your juice. This is where we draw the curtain, guys. Please kindly share this video, like and comment till I come your way next time. Bye bye.